Hey fans, Anime God is here. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe and join to the squad. It is that time fans. Yeah, it is time to review some anime memes. First, let's review some memes from One Piece. First one is about Captain Eustace Kid's right hand man, Massacre Soldier Killer. Damn, this one is straight up savage fans. We all must admit that from the first moment we saw Killer, we all want to see his face under the mask. After long time, we finally get to see Killer's true face by knowing that he is the Kamaso the Manslayer. Now just look at this when he was fully masked on.
キラまあなだがまさかあの3人が一緒にいるとはなああトラファルガーの野郎
He sound like an absolute beast. We all expect something extremely terrifying under Killer's mask, but unfortunately what we get is story behind this is completely fucked up, and this meme is straight up savage. Second meme is about length of the One Piece. For anyone who hasn't knowledge about length of the One Piece, in my opinion, they cannot be anime fan at all. Anyway, let's review the meme. This is really sad for someone who get into One Piece without knowing what they are into. Don't get me wrong, One Piece is an extremely good show, but we cannot deny the fact that it is extremely long as well. It has more than 900 episodes. One Piece is one of the longest running shonen anime. For anyone who getting into One Piece without knowing the length of the One Piece, I really feel sorry about them. Sometimes people might think that One Piece also a anime that has few seasons, but the truth is One Piece have more than 20 seasons. If you are getting into One Piece, you must have patience and you need to dedicate some quality time for One Piece. When I see the next meme, I really get scared. Oh damn, Monkey D. Dragon is a woman? That is some scary thought to think. This meme is so legit because we all know what Emporio Ivanko is capable of. We saw that Ivanko changed gender of people, and more importantly, we haven't seen Luffy's mother as well. So this meme is really scary. Only thing that give me some relief is Garp admit that Monkey D. Dragon is Luffy's father. If Oda Sensei want to really troll us, he could do this. But I don't think Oda Sensei will ever do something like this. Damn, this meme is really scary. This meme is about Luffy vs Kaido. This is some true shit. Let's see what actually happened between Kaido and Luffy. After watching that clip, I really felt that this meme is accurate. In that battle, Kaido completely destroyed Monkey D. Luffy. This is so ironic because according to Morgan, Big News Morgan, Big Bird Morgan, whatever name you want to call him, that doesn't matter.
Thanks!
According to him, this is a battle between two emperors. Just like the meme, in the actual battle, Kaido didn't even face. We have a meme in mode Roronoa Zoro. According to the meme, Roronoa Zoro is in Hidden Leaf Village. Even though meme tells us that Zoro wants to be a ninja because he was bored being a pirate and finding One Piece. But we all know deep down that Zoro lost his way and he has ended up in Naruto world.
目を離した隙にゾロが待てゾロそっちじゃねえよ
何
階段で行ったのにどう間違ったらそっち行くのよファンタジスタか
うるせえお前の説明が悪いんだろ
私が悪いわけないでしょ
True shit. In the meme review 1, I have done full segment about Zoro's sense of direction. Aha! This meme is about One Piece fandom. Most of us One Piece fans love Sanji, Zoro and Luffy. But there are people who like Akainu. But for most of the fans hate Akainu. So it is understandable that if someone say Akainu is their favorite character, there can be big shade on that fan. But in serious note, I also love Akainu because I feel Akainu is a fantastic character. I don't know why, but lot of fan hates Akainu. This meme is about current situation in the world and One Punch Man. We all have lot of plans when it comes to 2020, but unfortunately coronavirus have one punched us, ruined all of our plans by locking down lot of cities and make people socially distance. I really feel bad about all the plans that we all have created. Almost all the plans have completely ruined. Even though King is weak as fuck, in world of One Punch Man, King is known to be the strongest man. So our boy Garu wants to fight against King. But unfortunately for him, Garu has to face Saitama from nowhere and had to suffer from one punch.
俺は間違いねえやつは次の反応を予測しろ読めた覚悟しやがれ
I really feel bad about Garu. What else we could expect? Garu's opponent was strongest man of the world, King. Damn, this meme is hilarious. This meme is about interaction between our boy Saitama and Tatsumaki. We all know how strong is Saitama as well as Tatsumaki, but according to them, they are extremely powerful compared to other one. Tatsumaki doesn't care Saitama because according to her, Saitama is nobody, a weakling. In other hand, according to Saitama, and we all know how strong is Saitama, so Tatsumaki is just a mere kid. This is so funny that Saitama has to deal against a toddler who thinks he is way stronger than Saitama. This is a great meme.
誰よ B 級の雑魚なんて連れてきたの不愉快消えて
なんだこの生意気な迷子
ちょっと無視する
This meme is actually not funny because we all laugh at coronavirus meme. But when we see the death count and infected people, we all feel sorry for us. By the way, this meme also about current situation in the world regarding the coronavirus. On the top of that, when we know there is a lockdown going on, we really feel bad about this. This meme is from Demon Slayer, an anime that has become extremely popular in extremely short time. In here we have our girl Nezuko, who is extremely kawaii. If you don't know what means kawaii, it means cute. We all know that demons need blood to survive. When they get hungry, they get out of control. So in this meme, hungry and angry Nezuko-chan gets some snackers and become normal again. This meme is also about current situation in the world regarding coronavirus. We all had plans and we all expect to achieve something in 2020. But unfortunately, because of coronavirus, we had to face some unimaginable situations. So all of us are currently feared because we all know that there is a possibility that we could get infected from the coronavirus. I know that a lot of people feel just like Zenitsu at the current situation. If you enjoy this video, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and definitely subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.